I believe that the responsibility of engendering peace in the party is that of all of us who are members of the party, regardless of whatever positions we hold or we don't hold. Tony Okocha has been a member of our team, as everybody knows, and if today he is the chairman of the party by the decision of the national, so be it. But we're not in the APC because of any particular individual. We're in the APC because we're founding members of this party, and we're grassroots supporters of the president. And we believe that it is proper that we are in the party to continue to give that full support to the president's developmental agenda. Tony Okocha has been part of our team. He's part of the APC in this state from its founding till today. And like I said, by now, everybody who is part of the APC should have learned a thing or two as to how we can make this party work. So we're coming in open-minded, ready to work with everybody within the party. I believe that anybody who is sincerely interested in the progress of the APC, we should all be ready to work together to make the party work for everybody. Fine. And I'm not a judge. I'm a member of the All Progressives Congress. The party must be open to all Nigerians who believe in the ideals of the party and in the vision of Mr. President. So if these 27 lawmakers believe that they have a stake in this party and they can continue, welcome to the party. Those who don't agree with them are those that will now go to court to go and contest their right to do that. It is not me. I'm a member of the APC, and my own philosophy and attitude is that everybody is welcome to this party. All Nigerians are welcome. If somebody else somewhere feels that there is a constitutional impediment why another person cannot be a member of the party, or why if the person is a member of the party he cannot be a member of the House of Assembly, then that is the business of those who hold that view. But that definitely cannot be my own business. As a member of the APC, rooting for the party to mobilize all Nigerians for success, my own is to call as many people as possible to come and join the party. There is no party that has too many members. That's not how democracy works. So the party is open to all Nigerians, and we invite more people to come and join. So nobody is excluded. The 27 lawmakers are welcome to the APC, and I hope that we can all work together to make the party grow. Thank you. You will speak for yourself, I will speak for myself. Like I said, my coming to the APC is to work together with other members of the party to ensure growth, inclusion, prosperity, and progress for Rivers State and Rivers people. If we all have the same mind, then bingo, we're on the path to achieving that. So I think that this is a new year, and everybody who wants the APC to move forward in Rivers State needs to realize that the APC cannot be the personal estate of any one person. We're all very strong characters. There is none of those people that is a walkover. But you also agree that if all of us come together, there's really no other force in Rivers State that can stop us, because we are the ones who always stop each other. So I believe that if we can find common ground, which we have all found in the APC, definitely there is space for everybody. I'm a founding member of this party. I'm one of those who stakes everything to bring the APC to life in Rivers State. And nobody can deny me my right within the party. So that's what created problem the other time. If we all agree that we've learned our lessons, and that Rivers State is more important than our individual quest and selves, and that the party is more important than all of us, I believe that we can work together. Yendeba, we'll move forward. Let me say this. As far as the politics of Rivers State is concerned, everybody in Nigeria knows that you cannot discount our group. It's not Magnus Abbey. I'm the face and the voice of the group, but there are actors behind the face and the voice that make this thing possible. In the last election, without spending a penny, without one policeman, without one INEC presiding officer, with all the things that went on, which I don't want to talk about, they said we got 40,000 votes. That gives you an idea of the capacity and density of the group that we're talking about. If you follow the polls in the last election, SDP was the fastest growing party in the history of this state. If you look at the polls by independent pollsters that were going on in the state. So nobody can discount the capacity of the team that we have here. We have our own group, you know, but that's not what this is about. Everybody did not leave the APC. The bulk of us still remain in the APC. We didn't register, they didn't register with the SDP. It's only those of us who contested elections and a few of those who wanted to hold positions within the SDP that resigned officially, and they are the ones that will come back. So the rest of our group are all APC members. They've never stopped being APC members. They fought within the APC and they were still fighting within the APC. I believe that the circumstances that created that dissonance within the party, it no longer exists, and there is therefore no need for us to continue on that path of rancor and disagreement. So I believe that the times are different, the objectives are different, the atmosphere is also different, and this is a new year. So if you want to estimate the number of Rivers people that are listening to what we're saying and working with what we're saying, I think you'll be talking in the six figures. It's quite a lot. You've seen, this is just our leadership meeting that we called here today. And a lot more than the people we called turned up. And people are still ready to turn up. You have been in this state. You saw what we could do here as far as Rivers State was concerned. There were days we shut down the state. We have that capacity. So I think that any serious political party will be glad that all these forces and people are coming together. Democracy is about numbers, and we certainly have a lot of numbers to add to it. I'm not a judge. I'm a member of the All Progressives Congress. The party must be open to all Nigerians who believe in the ideals of the party and in the vision of Mr. President. So if these 27 lawmakers believe that they have a stake in this party and they can continue, welcome to the party. Those who don't agree with them are those that will now go to court to go and contest their right to do that. It is not me. I'm a member of the APC, and my own philosophy and attitude is that everybody is welcome to this party. All Nigerians are welcome. If somebody else somewhere feels that there's a constitutional impediment why another person cannot be a member of the party, or why if the person is a member of the party he cannot be a member of the House of Assembly, then that is the business of those who hold that view.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.